Good day, 8C. Okay, again, my name is Miss Donna, your student teacher for this quarter. So, before we start our lesson, kindly comment down below your name and section stands for your attendance for today. Okay, thank you, and let's start. So, our lesson for today is different types of drawing. So, what is drawing? Drawing is a form of visual arts in which an artist uses instrument to make paper or other two-dimensional surface. Drawing instruments include graphite pencil, pen, and ink, various kind of paints, ink brushes, colored pencils, crayons, charcoal, chalk, pastel, eraser, markers, styluses, and metals. So what are the types of drawings? So we have first, a freehand drawing. So, what is a freehand drawing? Sketching is a natural instinct which involves muscles, movement with a finger, pencil, pen, and or even stick. So, these are the examples that we usually saw in nurseries or kinders drawings. Next is industrial drawing. Shows the design and appearance of a product. Shadows and shades are used to emphasize the size, shape, and volume of the product. So these are the example for industrial drawing. Next is mechanical drawing. Uses instrument or tools to make working drawings of real objects. These are the example. Drawing of a sports car, um, buildings, structure of car or other. So next is working drawing. Working drawing is illustrates the details how the articles is constructed. Dimension and various scales are given to identify each part of the object. So these are the example. So this blueprint of example of house. Next, cartoon. So what is a cartoon? It's a full-size detailed preparatory drawing for work in other mediums such as glass or mosaic. It is also used for satirical drawings. A caricature is cartoon that grossly exaggerates the characteristics of a person. So these are the sample of caricature. Next, shade and shadow. Shade and shadow. Shade is the line of quality are determined by the degree of hardness of a pencil and by the texture of the surface on which it is applied. Values can be built up with parallel lines contour, hatching, or with cross hatching of various types. Next is drawing media. Pencils include those made of graphite, varies from soft, dark to hard or light, and high quality colored pencil in a wide variety of range. Next is charcoal, available in hard and soft gray. Next is contact crayon, a similar, a semi-hard chalk with enough oil to cause it to adhere to smooth paper. Next is pastel, has the same characteristic as chalk. And last, pen and ink. Black or colored inks are most common drawing liquids. So these are the example of Conte crayon, wine charcoal, technical pen, stump, wooden pencil, colored pencil, mechanical pencil, chymos, compressed charcoal. Next is line. Art is a powerful language where artists communicate their thoughts, ideas, and feelings through visual elements. The visual elements include color, lines, shape, form, space, and texture. A drawing begins with a line. A line is a path of moving point through a space. There are the five kinds of lines. First is horizontal. Horizontal runs parallel to the ground and appears to be a rest. Vertical run ups and downs and seems to show dignity, formality, and strength. Third, diagonal or slanting line signals action and excitement. Fourth, zigzag line made from combined diagonal lines and creates a feeling of confusion. And last, curved line express movement in a grace flowing way. There's five types of line. Example: vertical, horizontal, zigzag, diagonal, and curved. Quality and variation of line. Line quality is unique character of a line. It can be affected by the tool or medium used to produce the line or by the particular motion of the artist's hand. Line variation describe the thickness or thinness, lightness of darkness of line. Okay, that's all. So before we end it, our recorded video, hopefully we answered the question: what is drawing? What are the types of drawing? Give an example of drawing. So in the next meeting, so our live video, hopefully we all can share or answer those examples of questions. So thank you for listening for this recorded video. See you in live session.